Are you in the market for a top-tier action camera to capture your thrilling adventures? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the 5 best action cameras of 2023. We've analyzed these cameras based on their performance, versatility, and suitability for various situations. By the end of this article, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed choice. The first camera on our list is the Insta360 Go 3. This tiny action camera comes with an innovative accessory called the Action Pod, which sets it apart from its predecessor. The Go 3's capsule-like design is reminiscent of its forerunners but introduces some exciting new features. The Action Pod essentially serves as a camera body without the camera itself, allowing the Go 3 to attach magnetically to it. While not essential, the Action Pod significantly enhances the Go 3's capabilities. One of the standout features of the Action Pod is its flip-over touch screen, which empowers users to set up shots from various angles, both in front of and behind the lens. When detached, it functions as a remote control for the Go 3 and provides a live view from the camera itself. The Go 3 camera alone boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, making it suitable for snorkeling or swimming at depths of up to 16 feet. On the other hand, the Action Pod carries an IPX4 rating, rendering it water-resistant but not submersible. In terms of size and weight, it measures 1.9 by 2.5 by 1.2 inches and weighs 3.4 ounces. In the realm of video quality, the Go 3 impresses with its ability to capture clear and sharp 7K at the rate 30 FPS footage. It also offers various color profile options for basic editing, including standard, vivid, and flat looks, as well as in-camera creative filter. The camera provides different lens views such as ultra, action, linear, and narrow. The ultra view, while exhibiting some fisheye distortion, covers the full frame equivalent of an 11mm lens at f2.2. The action view, on the other hand, removes distortion from the center but stretches the edges for a wider scene. The linear option maintains a wide perspective with straight horizon lines, while the narrow selection replicates the view of a standard angle lens. The digital stabilization feature works well for handheld recordings but falls short when used for wearable footage. When the Go 3 is worn in a configuration where videos are recorded from the center of the chest using the magnetic pendant, it can result in significant wobbling and jerky motion, rendering the footage unusable. Therefore, it is advisable to stick with static shots and short clips when using this camera. The Go 3 boasts an impressive battery life, providing approximately 40 minutes of recording time for 7K at the rate 30 FPS footage on its non-removable battery. If you opt for the Action Pod, it extends the runtime by an additional 2 hours, enabling long-form recordings with either option. In summary, the Insta360 Go 3 presents a compelling choice for individuals seeking a small and portable camera. Its compact design, coupled with the Action Pod, offers users enhanced functionality and flexibility, making it a valuable addition to the world of action camera. DJI Osmo Action 3. Next up, we have the DJI Osmo Action 3, a noteworthy contender in the action camera market with distinctive features that set it apart from its predecessors. One notable improvement is the more robust and reliable magnetic quick-release system inherited from the Action 2. Another standout feature is the touch-sensitive front screen, allowing for convenient adjustment of settings while capturing vlog-style videos. When it comes to video quality, the Action 3 impresses with its ability to shoot in 4K resolution at up to 120 FPS, producing visually stunning footage. However, it falls slightly short when compared to the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which offers a higher resolution and a larger sensor for enhanced post-processing versatility. The Action 3 excels in display quality, boasting a bright and colorful front screen and a larger rear touch screen. The larger rear screen is more user-friendly than its predecessor, while the built-in front screen eliminates the need for a separate module to achieve a front-facing display. The Osmo Action 3 is highly durable, displaying impressive resistance to drops and submersion. It can withstand drops from heights of up to 5 feet and is waterproof up to 52 feet underwater, making it ideal for capturing adventures in various environments and weather conditions. The camera's rugged build aligns perfectly with these specifications. To fully unlock the camera's potential, activation through the DJI smartphone app is necessary. This intuitive app provides seamless control and unlocks a range of features that enhance the overall filming experience. While the Action 3 offers battery life comparable to other action cameras, its ability to operate under more extreme temperatures is noteworthy. It can endure a typical day of hiking and recording without requiring a battery swap. However, it's advisable to have spare batteries on hand for extended shoots. It's worth mentioning that the camera charges rapidly, reaching 80% capacity in just 18 minutes. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 3 proves to be a versatile action camera suitable for adventure seekers and vloggers alike. Although it has some limitations in photo quality and may require manual editing, its impressive stabilization and user-friendly interface make it a dependable choice for capturing thrilling moments in life. AKASO Brave 7. Moving on to the third camera on our list, we have the AKASO Brave 7. This budget-friendly sports camera combines impressive features with a sleek design, making it an appealing choice for travel enthusiasts. Its compact and lightweight structure, complemented by a black matte finish, adds both sophistication and convenience to your adventure. One standout feature of the AKASO Brave 7 is its dual screens, positioned at the back and front of the camera. These screens simplify framing and adjusting settings, enhancing the overall shooting experience. Equipped with electronic image stabilization 2.0 and a 6-axis gyroscope, this camera ensures stable footage even during action-packed shots and outdoor activity. This stability proves invaluable during dynamic adventures and fast-paced sport. The AKASO Brave 7 doesn't disappoint when it comes to picture quality either. With a 20MP resolution, it captures sharp, clear, and detailed images that beautifully encapsulate every moment. The camera's various shooting modes, including single-shot, burst mode, and time-lapse, further enhance its versatility. Additionally, the 170-degree wide-angle lens allows you to effortlessly capture stunning panoramic views. In terms of video quality, the AKASO Brave 7 excels. It shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, delivering vibrant colors, excellent contrast, and impressive clarity. For those seeking slow-motion effects, the camera offers 720p recording at 120 frames per second, enabling the creation of captivating slow-motion shots. With one particularly outstanding feature is the powerful 1350 mAh battery, offering an extended lifespan of up to 110 minutes. This ensures that you can confidently record your entire adventure without worrying about the battery running out. Intensive use, especially with the 4K resolution and both screens active, may slightly reduce the battery life. However, even with demanding usage, the AKASO Brave 7 still provides ample recording time for capturing thrilling moments. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The next camera on our list is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. While it may bear a striking resemblance to its predecessor, the Hero 10 Black, with its compact rectangular body, it brings some noteworthy upgrades under the hood. On the left side of the camera, you'll still find the familiar mode button, allowing for effortless switching between photo, video, and time-lapse modes, as well as powering on the GoPro. One of the most significant improvements lies in the camera's internal components. The Hero 11 Black boasts a brand new 27-megapixel sensor, which is larger than the 23-megapixel sensor of the Hero 10 Black. This larger sensor promises to capture more details and light, especially in dimly lit environments, thereby enhancing overall image and video quality. A standout feature of the GoPro Hero 11 Black is its enhanced horizon lock, now offering 360-degree locking. This means that you can tilt or rotate the camera in a circular motion while the horizon remains stable and linear. To optimize this feature, GoPro has upgraded its HyperSmooth stabilization system to HyperSmooth 5.0, which can be easily enabled through the Auto Boost feature. The result is impressively stabilized videos that remain smooth even during dynamic movements. Thanks to the new sensor, the GoPro Hero 11 Black exhibits improved color support, resulting in more vibrant and vivid content without appearing oversaturated. The camera's video recording performance is notably better than its predecessors, offering support for up to 3K at 60 FPS across various aspect ratios. For everyday sharing on social media, many users may find the 1080p, 7K, and 4K resolutions more than sufficient, as they maintain ample details while conserving storage space. Furthermore, the Hero 11 Black comes equipped with a larger 720 mAh battery, ensuring extended shooting time without compromising on weight, as it remains similar to that of the Hero 10 Black. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 11 Black offers significant advancements over its predecessor, making it an exceptional choice for an action camera. It excels in capturing high-quality images and videos during various activities, thanks to its improved sensor, enhanced stabilization, and upgraded recording capabilities. Insta360 X3. The final camera on our list is the Insta360 X3, a compelling solution for content creators aiming to make their videos stand out on crowded platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. With its versatility, compactness, and waterproof capabilities, the X3 seeks to expand creative horizons and fulfill its promising potential. One noticeable upgrade is the inclusion of a large, beautiful 2.29-inch touchscreen on the back, replacing the tiny circular display of its predecessor, the X2. This enhancement significantly improves menu navigation, mode selection, and footage review, making the overall user experience more seamless and enjoyable. Image quality receives a substantial boost in the X3 compared to the X2, addressing a major concern of its predecessor. With a slightly larger sensor and a brighter lens, the X3 delivers impressive, sharp, and clean video. It can shoot 360-degree videos at 7K resolution at 30 frames per second or 4K at up to 60 FPS. In single lens mode, it offers 4K at 30 FPS and up to 60 FPS at 5K resolution, with slow motion options including 4K at 120 FPS or 3K at 180 FPS. The X3 proves its durability in various conditions, handling long recording sessions in warm weather and chilly nights for star-lapse videos. It can even withstand submersion in water and endure rugged hiking excursions. Although some freezing issues were noted during startup with pre-launch firmware, the recording remained stable. In terms of battery life, the X3 performs well for an average day of recording on hikes. However, for extended trips, it's advisable to have backup batteries on hand. Insta360's mobile and desktop applications offer accessible and user-friendly ways to review and edit 360-degree footage. The camera even provides a plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro, catering to both novice editors and experienced content creators. With its standout features, upgrades over its predecessor, and excellent value for money, the Insta360 X3 holds its own in the market. Its versatility, range of shooting modes, and ease of use make it an appealing choice for on-the-go content creation. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, the X3 promises to deliver both fun and value as a valuable addition to your camera bag. You got it, so that's it for the top 5 best action cameras in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications.